How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investor channel. I just previously made a video with a few stock picks that I had, so I'm going to show you guys the stocks from that list that I did add to my watch list that I will be swing trading. The first one is ticker VZ, Verizon. I will not get too in depth in these companies. Most of them I've already went over. A lot of them I already hold long term or I've already swing traded. So most of these are things that I've added back to my watch list and such. When I do purchase them, I'll probably go over the fundamentals or the balance sheets a little bit more, maybe the PE ratios or some bullish thesis or some stock news. But in this video, I'm just going to give you guys the tickers. You can do your own due diligence and look into them and see if there are plays that you want to acquire. The Verizon share that I own in my Robinhood portfolio, I'm currently down 4.08%. But it does pay a nice dividend yield of 4.21%, and this is going to be a bounce back play. It was beaten down about nearly 20% during the pandemic. It's almost recovered, still got about a 1 to 2% upside on it. This company usually grows about 5% a year or so, and 24 analyst ratings on it. Still bullish, 63% hold, 38% buy, and a relentless focus on network strength over the past 15 years. It has put Verizon in invisible positions. Its network provides the broadcast coverage in the industrial, and its reputation with its customers is sterling. While other wireless carriers are tangled up in merger activity, Verizon is relentlessly pushing forward in its own core business, expanding its fiber optic network and deploying 5G wireless technology. With the largest customer base in the U.S., Verizon is also the most efficient carrier in the industry, delivering far better profitability than its rivals. They have been killing EPS all of 2020. This is a telecom company based out of New York. I got in this position on December the 5th for this swing trade. And basically they engage in the provision of communications, information, and entertainment products and services to consumers, business, and government agencies. And then the next pick we got that I added to the watch list, also something I already own long term, I'm going to continue to swing trade, is ticker MPC, which is Marathon Petroleum. Then we have, I guess I'll give y'all a little bit of stuff on Marathon. Of course, it's been beaten down during the pandemic, and it was down about 70%. This thing still has about 29% upside, and it also pays a great dividend yield of 5.61%. Great analyst rating, 17 analysts got it as a 76% buy. The retail segment fetched an attractive price. Proceeds will be direct to supporting shareholders' returns and reducing debt. The delivery of 1.4 billion synergizers by 2021 creates the ability to grow earnings even in a weak microwave economy environment and improve its competitive position. Marathon Petroleum's high complex facilities in the mid-continental West Coast and Gulf Coast leave it well poised to capitalize on a variety of discount crude systems, endowing it in a feedstock cost advantage. EPS has been down. It's been downtrending, but they've been beating, like the actual EPS has been beating the expected EPS. But they need to, pull that back and recover. And basically, Marathon Petroleum Company Corporation, it's an independent company. It engages in refining, marketing, and transportation of petroleum services and products in the United States. It has a few segments like refining, retail, and midstream. It refines crude oil and other feedstocks at its refineries in Gulf Coast and Midwest regions of the United States. It purchases ethanol and refined products for resales and distributes refined products through various means, including like terminals, trucks that are that the company owns and operates. The retail segment sells transportation fuels and convenient products in the retail market across the United States through company-owned and operated convenience stores, primarily under the Speedway brand, and long-term food supply contracts with direct dealers who operate locally under mainly the Arco brand. The midstream segment transportation transporters, stores, distributors, and markets crude oil and refined products, principally for the refining and marketing segment via refining, logistics, assets, pipelines, terminals, towboats, and barges. It also gathers, processors, and transports natural gases, other gatherings, transports, in all kinds of markets, basically. And this company's been out since 1887, so they still have great fundamentals. So, yeah, something I'm going to swing trade. It's looking very good to me. A lot of people count oil out, but oil's going to be here for a lot longer than what people give it credit for. Then we have Kilroy Realty, ticker KRC, and this is a REIT, so this is going to be a great dividend monthly paying REIT. Won't really get into this one too much. Then we got ESS. This is a property trust, also another REIT. It's going to be a nice dividend payer as well. Then we got Viacom. This is something I've already swing traded this month. I made a video on this stock already. Basically, they have a lot of viewers, hundreds of millions of viewers, and they have content that's for all age groups and all genders, and they have a great fundamental, great balance sheets, and I'm adding it right back to the watch list. It's something I'm going to continue to swing trade. Then we got Comcast, CM, CSA. They're getting innovative with the streaming platforms and things of that nature, so I see revenue coming back for them. And then we got a Synstock MO, Altria Group, something I hold long term, something I've been swing trading for the past 6 months. And, I'm going to continue to swing trade it. I mean, it's a win-win. This company's going to make the money and pay the dividend. Then you got ADP, automatic data processing. Also something I already hold long term. Just added it back to the watch list. Going to swing trade this thing again and build my position out. Then we got ISRG. I believe this is a new play for me. Intuitive Surgical. I did take a look at the balance sheets and the fundamentals of this company, and it looks very, very promising. So I'm gonna give it a go. When I purchase it, I might give you guys a deeper dive into the company. If you're curious about it, go ahead and do your due diligence and look it up. Then I got CNI, Canadian National Railway. This is actually a play I got from another YouTuber. Go check his channel out, Mr. Finance. I have already swing traded this. It came back across my radar today, and looking at dividend plays for 2021. So it just reassured his bullish thesis. And also, the first time I saw it, what I saw in it, just reconfirms it. So I added it back to the watch list. And, this is a play I'm going to get back into again and try to build a second position. Then we got BAM, B-A-M, Brookfield Assets Management. I'm already in the Brookfield heavy, so I'm going to add it to the watch list, continue to swing trade. Then we got a SIVR. This is physical silver ETF, exposure to the precious metal segment of the market. I'm in a lot of gold, a lot of silver. I own a lot of physical gold and silver as well. Something I'm always in. And, it's a hedge against the fiat currency. And it's just a great thing to be in for the long term. The ETF is going to give you plenty of diversification, low volatility with exposure to that market. So those are the stocks that I added to my watch list today. I will probably hit you guys with some more videos today. If not, I'll be purchasing a few more stocks, probably about 21 stocks. I should have purchased some today while the market was open in my Fidelity and Vanguard account, as well as my Webull account, since those it's kind of hard to buy out of those when the market is closed. I think the market is probably closed. I'm on the East Coast right now, so it's probably closed already. Yeah, I believe it's closed already, so I might have missed that time frame. But either way it goes, I'll still purchase 21 stocks. I got 9 other brokerages, so I'll make it happen. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell. I really appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in.